Hi all. Now we are looking into an important topic of marketing, that is rural marketing. So let's start the session. Before entering into rural marketing, let's look into what is meant by rural areas. In general, a rural area is a geographic area that is located outside towns and cities. As per census, any habitation with a population density of less than 400 per square kilometer is known as rural. And when we comes to rural marketing, it is a process of developing, pricing, promoting and distributing rural specific goods and services leading to desired exchange with rural customers to satisfy their needs and wants and also to achieve organizational objectives. When we comes to the nature of rural market, it usually has a traditional outlook. In recent times, we can see a rise in literacy level among rural markets. Another important feature of rural market is its diverse socio-economic background. And what is the reason rural market gets attracted by corporates? Rural market have become the new targets to corporate enterprises for two reasons. Urban market has become congested with too many competitors. So rural market becomes the new market to explore. Then the market have reached a near saturation point. So and now the benefits of rural marketing are size of rural market, employment opportunities, better living conditions, contribution to national income and increase in farm income. Like benefits, some of the problems and difficulties faced in rural marketing are lack of proper communication, distribution problem, low literacy level, lack of adequate transport facilities, and lack of proper retail outlets. Some of the factors which have made rural markets viable are large population and remoteness is no longer a problem in rural areas, and growth in consumption and lifestyle changes among rural peoples, and market growth rates higher than urban areas, and rural marketing is not an expensive task for corporates. So these all factors makes rural markets viable for corporates. The four important factors to be considered while we market in rural areas are affordability, awareness, availability and acceptability. So let's look detailedly into these factors. The first factor is affordability. That means the product should be affordable to rural peoples. As they are not rich, they should be affordable to rural peoples in terms of price. The next factor is availability. The product should be available to rural people in each and every place. In rural market, the problem faced by the customers are non-availability of products in each and every corner of the market. So it should be made available in every places so that more and more customers get the opportunity to buy the products. The next one is awareness. The rural people should be aware about the product. For that, the promotions based on rural strategies are an important factor. The promotion should be made in such a manner that they reach in a well manner to the rural people. The next one is the acceptability. The product should be acceptable to the rural people. This is one of the important factors for the success of the product. I hope you got some information about rural market and how it functions. That's all. Thank you.